Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we dive deep into the best products that make your life easier. Today, we're checking out the best baby food storage container set on the market, the WeeSprout glass baby food storage jars. If you're a new parent or planning a baby registry, this is one product you'll want to stick around for. Let's get into it. The WeeSprout glass baby food storage jars come in a 12-pack set, each jar holding 4 ounces. The version we're looking at includes silicone lids and beautifully embossed glass. The jars are made of thick food-grade glass and are designed for maximum durability and reusability. These aren't your average storage containers. They're perfectly portioned for baby snacks, purees, breast milk, and toddler bites, and they grow with your child. So you'll be using them for years, not months. Let's talk about the smart design choices that set these jars apart. First off, each jar has embossed ounce and milliliter measurement markings on the glass. No printed ink that wears off after washing. This makes portion control incredibly easy whether you're prepping a quick snack or an entire batch of meals. The lids are made of premium silicone and come in a variety of soft matte shades. Think green, cream, pink, gray, and more, which not only look sleek but help organize meals visually. And let's not forget the airtight seal. When properly closed, these lids are tight enough to safely store breast milk without any leakage. That's a big plus for any parent dealing with liquid storage. One of the biggest wins with the WeeSprout jars is how versatile they are. They're microwave safe, dishwasher safe, and freezer safe. This means you can freeze meals, pop them in the microwave when it's feeding time, and clean everything in the dishwasher without hassle. Whether you're batch prepping baby food on Sunday night or making quick weekday lunches, these jars can handle it all. You can take them straight from the freezer to the microwave, then serve and store what's left, all in the same container. Also, because they're made of glass and silicone, they're a sustainable, toxin-free alternative to plastic containers that wear out or retain odors. No stains, no weird smells, just clean and healthy storage. This set is ideal for any parent who wants a more organized, eco-friendly, and long-term food storage solution. Whether you're a first-time mom, a dad doing daycare meal prep, or a parent who prefers homemade purees to store-bought, these jars make the job smoother. They also make a thoughtful and practical gift for baby showers or registry editions, useful from the first months through toddlerhood. So, is the WeeSprout glass baby food storage set worth it? Absolutely. With their thoughtful design, safe materials, and versatility, these jars are easily one of the smartest investments for any growing family. Thanks for watching this review from Product Critique. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more product deep dives. And let us know in the comments if there's another baby product you'd like us to test out next. See you in the next one.